Want to sign out of your Netflix account on a smart TV, but can't find the logout button? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to log out of Netflix on almost any smart TV using the latest Netflix app interface. Let's begin. First, launch the Netflix app on your TV. Now, take your remote and press the up arrow until you reach the top navigation bar. Then, press the left arrow to highlight your profile icon in the top left corner. Select your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. You'll see options like Switch Profiles and Kids. Scroll down through the menu and select the Get Help option. Once you're on the Get Help screen, scroll down and select Sign Out. Netflix will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply choose Yes. And your account will be completely removed from the TV. What if you already left the place and forgot to log out? No problem. You can do it remotely. Open Netflix on your phone. Select your profile icon. Tap on Profile to open Settings menu. Then go to Account. Scroll down to Access and Devices. Find the specific TV or device you want to remove from the list. Then tap Sign Out. And that's the easiest way to log out of Netflix on your smart TV. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching.